What's up, guys? John here. Buenos dias. I'm gonna do a quick one. This guy wrote a question. Let's see. Please add me to the wait list for your book. Thanks for your advice on your YouTube videos. It's very helpful. I like your holistic approach. Health, wealth, happiness. It's not just about sex. And then he said, I like your advice. Be the type of person that both men and women want to hang out with and feel comfortable with. Be honest about why you are alone and no one wants to be with you. Don't blame the women. I wish that you would put a video specific to advice for specific problems. For example, if some guy is badly dressed, maybe you could take him to a shopping mall and show him how to dress well. I like your holistic approach. It's not all about the sex. It's about getting to a better lifestyle that is actually enjoyable and meeting your needs. And there are millions of guys who are stuck in bad situations and are lonely. So you're providing advice that is useful. Thanks again. Thank you, ML. I appreciate that. Those are well said words, and that's exactly how I try to structure my videos and channel that I'm doing. It's not just about getting laid, because that's boring, you know, like you got to take care of the rest of your part of your life, you know, like if you just want to be known for banging and be known like that kind of perverted guy, then so be it, you know. But I don't want to just be known about that. I want to be known for like making a difference in people's lives and helping, you know, and also girls' lives. And so that's how I structured the channel, to like talk about all parts of your life that would come together as pieces of the puzzle to become the person that the best version of yourself, physically, financially, mentally, spiritually, and like, you know, to the point where people gravitate towards you and want to hang around with you and like help you in return for you always like being a good person and helping others like feel good, happy, you know, helping them with advice, helping them with work, helping with whatever you do. People will remember that about you, you know. And so that's kind of my legacy with this channel. So even when I'm gone, hopefully this stuff will still be around to help others, you know, that are going through this type of problems and things that that ML describes. Me gusta. Sí. She's doing like filters with different color hair. She put on some red hair, now some green hair. Carol G. Oh no me gusta. Now dark black, I don't like it. She did green hair, I didn't like the green hair too. Now like blonde hair, no. Me gusta rojo. Red hair looks good on her on this filter. Este también. Toma foto. Sí, bonita. So guys, so like he's asking about advice for like what to wear and shit. So like here's the thing, guys, you know, I used to think that I had to dress up and like wear all this shit. No me gusta. She's looking at a silver filter. Sí, no me gusta. Sí, este es mejor, pero rojo es mi favorito. Sí puedes. She's doing purple right now. Toma foto con este de morado. Sí.
Es como azulito. Mira, qué rojo.
Me gusta. There you go. But so like I was saying that I used to wear all these like clothes. I used to wear like a lot of surf stuff, like Hurley and stuff back in the day, Quicksilver, and just buy whatever t-shirts they had and like shirts from Huntington, endless summer shirts, things like that. And like one of my friends, she had like a clothing store, and she would dress me up and put me like a fucking mannequin and make me buy all these fucking high-end clothes, you know. I was like, dude, I look funny in this. She's all, no, but that's the style. So she was like dressing me up for a while, and then you know, after that I just discovered wearing the same thing to make it simple, because I read this article of like how people you waste energy and mental energy in the morning trying to figure out what to wear, but like a lot of the successful people, they just wear the same exact thing. Like even Bill Gates, Mark Zuckerberg, you know, Obama, whoever, all wear the same thing, but they just have either different variations of colors or variations of the style or the cut of the shirt or whatever they're wearing. And so that's when I stopped and I just started just wearing dry fit shirts. I used to wear Under Armour a lot, and then I moved to like the Nike dry fits, like these ones, the V-neck ones. And like I took off the logos because I don't like having logos on me. I paid somebody to take off the logos on it. And I like the material of the Nike dry fit ones better, and they fit better. They're more tight. Like I noticed like Under Armour is more loose, and I like the tighter fit, so I like the Nike better. And I like the material better. It looks like a normal t-shirt, you know, even though it's dry fit, and I sweat a lot, you know, like especially in the tropics. So that was it. And then I took it to a store, like a screen printing store, and I asked the guy. Nah, it's igual. She wants to dye her hair extra dark black. No, no me gusta. No. She's like testing on, they have an app to test out your hair before she gets her hair dyed. Está bonita. Sí, está bonita. Puedes hacer esto. Sí, like red. I tell you, like she looks good in the red hair. Laila. So, I brought my shirts. Sí puedes también. She likes the blue one too. Uh-huh. Tú eres muy bonita, baby. So, I was saying that I bought a bunch of these Nike shirts. I bought like 50 of them online. I bought all the different colors, you know, but I prefer like the darker colors. And you know, I'll wear the other colors once in a while, but for the most part you just see me wearing the same one. And I brought it to a screen printing place, and I told the guy, I said, hey, I brought in all the shirts, and I said, hey, can you take off the logos, the Nike logos on all these shirts? And he's all, yeah, but why the hell do you want to do that? He said, people pay a lot of money for these shirts to have the logo on it. And I said, no, I don't want any logo on my stuff. I just want it to be plain and like, you know, whatever, not show nothing. Because what I noticed is like when I would take pictures and stuff, I don't like seeing the logos and stuff in the pictures, and it looks kind of weird, you know. I had him take it all. He's all right, I'll take them all off. So I paid him to take them all off, and he thought it was the weirdest thing. You sometimes see me wearing the other one. It still has the Nike logo, but that's like my company shirt that I put my company logo on there, and I use that when I go meet clients or like have a Zoom call with somebody or something. I wear that, you know, and it looks pretty cool too, seeing my logo on it. But I just left the Nike one on there to kind of like position it where the logo would be, where they put it. And so I left it on that. But on the rest of the shirts I normally wear, I just took off all the logos. And that my point to all this, to the story of that, is like try to get something that's like neutral and like fits you well. And like the Nike dry fit shirts I got, they're like $50 a piece, but it's worth it. They're a little more expensive than a t-shirt, but you know, they work better as like not being soaked up like wet like a towel. They dry up fast, and like they don't stink like a cotton or feel like a t-shirt, you know. And so it's worth it to pay a little bit more, and then get all the different colors, you know, so you can match it. When you start your day, you just grab whatever color shirt you feel like wearing. You don't have to think, put very much mental energy into it. And so that way you can focus on more important decisions throughout the day for like your business, family, whatever things you need to take care of to make money. That'll allow you to have more energy for that. And so, and then the same thing for the jeans. I just wear these jeans, these Wrangler jeans. Dude, I got them at Walmart. They're only like fucking $20, man. And I got the ones that fit and that are regular fit, and just got all the different colors. You don't have to buy the expensive fancy stuff, you know. And then I wear these travel sweaters. They're called Baubacks, B-A-U-B-A-X. They're like travel jackets. They have all these pockets and stuff, and like it's good for traveling. And like when you go on a plane and you want to go to sleep, it's got this thing that you can pull down to cover your eyes so you can sleep, You know, it's got all these things. It's got gloves. When you get cold, you can pull them out. And so, like you see me wearing these, I ordered a bunch of these too, so that way I got enough for life. And then I just alternate and I just wash them, you know, and then just grab the next one in the closet to wear. And then, you know, I also got them for my girls. I got one in their size for them because it comes in handy for them, you know. You can put all your shit in all the pockets. It's got all these different pockets. It's even got a pocket where you can put an entire full-size iPad in it. That's what's crazy. You know, so you guys see, like in all my videos and wherever I go, I just wear pretty much the same thing, but a slight variation of each, you know, maybe a different color. And then for my shoes, like here's the thing, I always wear like Nike running shoes because you never know when the day might come where you need to run to save your life. And that's why I do it. It's more for like utility. And I try to get Nikes that look all right, you know, at the same time, but that's the reason why I wear it because, you know, being down here especially, you never know when you might have to run to save your life. That'll be like your sprints that you've been running and training for, doing sprints and jogging, it might come and save your life. That's why you need to be prepared in all aspects. That's why I told you guys, like, do your workouts every day, take care of your physical fitness, because one day you may need to rely on it to save your life, and you just want to be prepared in case that time ever comes. And I hope it never does, but I'm trying to be prepared the most I can. So I'm trying to tell you guys the same thing. Yeah, guys, that's kind of like my way that I dress. Of course, I got my suits, and I got some custom suits made, you know, just in case I have to go somewhere that's formal. I had my stuff made, and I had some tailors down here in Mexico make me some custom suits to fit me, like for my measurements and stuff. And then my girl makes me buy these other stuff. I don't really like the Lacoste or whatever, all that stuff. She makes me buy all that stuff because she's like, oh, you look so much better like that. I don't like seeing you wearing the other stuff. She always tries to dress me up too. She makes me buy these name brand stuff, and you know, I'll buy it just for her to make her happy, but for the most part, I'm just simple, and I just wear the same shit every day, and that's how you guys should do it too, you know. And like, if you're overweight, don't buy bigger clothes. Force yourself to lose weight so you can buy smaller size clothes, you know. Go to the size that you should be for your height, you know. So that's my advice for you guys. So I hope you enjoyed that and like got something useful out of it. And like for my shoes, like that I use because I'm at the beach all the time, they're called Sanuks, Nausanuks. They're kind of like half sandal, half flip flop. And I get the shoes, and you can wear them either like as a flip flop or a shoe, and you can get them wet and everything. It doesn't get all messed up. And so that's what I wear like when walking around on the beach when I'm going surfing and stuff. So just in case you're like that as well, you can do the same. But then for everyday use, I wear like Nikes in case, like I said, you got to run for your life, or sprint more like, because if you're trying to run for your life, you're going to be sprinting at your fastest pace you can go. The joint she rolls is way better than the ones that the machine rolls. The machine rolls them kind of tight. So I hope that helps, guys. I thought I'd share that. Don't worry about spending a bunch on fashion and whatever, you know. I saw a video of a girl, she was talking about it, like, okay baby, she wants to go lay down already. Vamos a terminar este. So I was watching a video where the girl said, if you walk into a place and wearing a Gucci shirt, sometimes wearing the white t-shirt works better than a Gucci shirt. So even she said it, but you know, that's what I'm saying. Just go, no logos, just go plain, you know, and I think that'll be a better way for you to deal with wearing your clothes. So, all right guys, that's it. She wants to go lay down. She's already stoned, and we're gonna go have some munchies. All right, baby. Ya termina. Dice adios. Bye. Pura vida. All right, guys. So I'm putting together these groups, my Jedi Master Inner Circle. So there's gonna be 2 levels to it. You're gonna have the Jedi Masters, which are the guys that are making 100K or more per year at least, and have been well traveled, have a lot of experience, and know of different places that we can go to experience and find beautiful girls and be able to share amongst everyone and give advice to other people as well. And then we're also gonna have the young Jedis that maybe aren't as experienced or just starting out in life or are young and don't really have much money, but they want to live this lifestyle. They're being inspired, and they want to start and learn and be able to communicate with each other. So that'll be the second level. And of course, the Jedi Master level will be in both, so that you'll have the Jedi Masters also helping the young Jedis by answering questions for people that are new. And then the Jedi Masters, what we're gonna do is have like trips maybe once a year where all of us Jedi Masters come together and go to a destination where we'll be able to experience all of this together and share and network and share financial advice, how to make money. It'll be how to make money, how to deal with breakups, how to meet girls, pretty much everything that you're seeing on my videos that I'm teaching. We'll be able to network and do it in person and put together these groups and meetings for people and kind of be me as the connector, connecting all of you guys together, because I'm getting all these messages from people from all walks of life in different parts of the world. And a lot of you guys tell me that you don't have anyone to share these experiences with, or share your stories and share all the knowledge that you've accumulated throughout the years. And once you communicate with me, it's like you're spilling your entire story because you're so excited to tell someone finally, because there's no one else you could take. Can't tell your friends, can't tell your family, and there's no one you can ask questions. There's no one you can share these intimate details with. And so I want to bring you guys together with other like-minded people that are watching my videos and kind of want to live this lifestyle as well. So if you're interested in joining the Jedi Master Inner Circle, still putting together all the fine details, but I'll put you guys on a wait list. Send me an email and let me know which Jedi Master or Jedi part level in the inner circle that you want to be in. There's going to be either the young Jedi or the Jedi Masters, and the Jedi Masters is going to be 500 for you guys to join. That's the screening process. And then we got the young Jedis for $50. That way it's affordable. And the 500 is to screen out. Obviously, if you're doing well, 500 isn't much. And then it keeps out the people that aren't serious. It's kind of like how to weed out the people that aren't really real. And of course, there's going to be moderation, and there's going to be like content moderation, where I moderate who gets in and interview the people that want to come in to make sure they're real. And that way, everyone that's in the group is actually there because they want to be, and that they share this similar outlook on life and want to live this type of life and level up even more, make more connections, make more friends, kind of like me and Tim, the 72-year-old that you've been seeing interview, and other people you haven't seen in my videos that I hang out with. It'll be kind of like being into the inner circle and make these kind of bonds that will last a lifetime, and these kind of memories that we can share together and have some awesome adventures together. So if you're interested, send me an email and then put wait list you want to be on, and then as soon as I'm ready, I'll notify all you guys that it's ready, and then we'll put you guys in maybe a Telegram or a Discord, or I'm still trying to figure out the logistics, but once it's ready, then you guys will be invited once you pay the entrance fee, and then we'll get you in. All right, guys, that's it. Adios. Pura vida. You say adios, baby.
Adios.
Bye. Well, guys, if you coming down here to Cancun, Playa del Carmen, I have friends down here as well that can take care of stuff. If you're headed down to Costa Rica, I got friends in Costa Rica that can help take care of the stuff, help assist with transportation and activities and lodging and things like that. And then the business that helped me live this life is the credit card service business. So if you own a business and you're still paying the credit card fees, you don't have to do that anymore. Stop wasting your money. You could be enjoying it every month instead of like whatever you're paying to the bank, $1,000, $2,000 to the bank every month. You take it and go on a vacation. Look at the ocean, how beautiful it is down here, and the weather's perfect. It's so early in the morning, I'm already sweating. It's tropical, and people are swimming down there, if you could see. And the only thing I wish that was down here is that there was more waves. But like I said, if you own a business, you don't have to pay for the fees. You can use it for vacation, take your family out, reinvest in your business, or whatever it is you want to do with it. It's way better than wasting it, paying it to the bank and getting nothing in return. So that's it. Send me an email or write in the comments. I'll be glad to help you out. All right, that's it for now. Talk to you guys later. Adios. Pura vida.